Okay, we got the door jamb painted. The door surround is painted. Got the door back on today. We're blocking the passenger side. It's blocking out pretty good. Haven't got to there yet because it was a little wet. Still need to get a tailgate. Been slacking a little bit. This side's all blocked out. Roof is blocked out. It's getting closer each day. We do need to get a new heater core, so we're not putting this fender on until we take that heater box off on the inside, but it's easier to get to out here, so we can take the inside one out. Just have to find where I can get one of those. Stay tuned.